Hi guys, I need you to concentrate on the next few minutes. We have a look at the learning papers for our year ones for term 1. Guys, we're going through the content of the term and I need you to focus on each and every module that we did in the class. Having a look at 1, it's a safety. Look at the Unsafe Act. Guys, what is the Unsafe Act? An unsafe act is something that you do wrong, like playing in the workshop. Another example of it is when you use the wrong tools for the wrong job. In other words, something that you do wrong. That's an unsafe act. Then we look at the unsafe condition. Unsafe condition is what's wrong in the workshop. Something's wrong in the center or the workshop. Something like bad ventilation, or maybe there's bad lighting, or there's a lot of steel or stuff lying around on the floor, and that makes it an unsafe condition. Then the next thing, guys, what is an accident? Please don't tell me an accident is when one person maybe injured another person, or when two cars are on an accident. No, guys, remember these 4 important words. Accident is an unplanned and uncontrolled event which are caused by an unsafe act and an unsafe condition. Those are the 4 main points that will count points in the up and coming test. Our second thing on the safety side is workshop rules, right? Safety comes first. Remember, there's a sign up in the workshop, safety come first, guys. I always told you guys, always wear an overall, use the right tool for the right job, put tools away after use. This is only 3 examples. You need to go through your book and to see what the content is all about. Then our third thing is the PPE, our personal protective equipment, guys. You know what it is. This is only the main points that I'm pointing out here. Welding helmet, safety glasses, always wear safety glasses. You know, whenever we use a grinder, I always say to you guys, wear your safety glasses. Your welding gloves, it's very important to use welding gloves. And then safety shoes also, guys. Make sure that you are 100% up with safety. Then the next module that we did is measuring. As you know, with each and every product we make in the workshop, the measuring of the steel is very important. If you measure it too short, the one part doesn't fit with the other one, or if you make it too long. So make sure that you know all about the measuring, and you know how to measure different lengths. Then our 5th module, arc welder. Guys, here we need to make sure. Remember this drawing. We did it in our book, the welding machine, the inverter. Looking at number 1, it's a carry handle. And I need you guys to please use this exact words in the exam, in the test. Don't use other words, please, guys. Number 2 is a voltage adjuster. Don't tell me it's a voltage knob. It's a voltage adjusting knob. Then the power cable. You can't write it's a plug, guys. It's a power cable. Then the positive point, which are the welding clamp. The negative point, which are the earth clamp. And there we go. Number 6 is the welding rod clamp. Number 7 is the earth clamp. Please make sure that you are well known with this, and that you need to use the correct words for everyone. Then at number 6, the general tools. Looking at hand tools, guys. Hammer, hacksaw, file. In other words, every tool that you use personally with your hands. Looking at the workshop layout. This is our last module. I need you guys to make sure about the workshop layout. you know, to know the 16 different areas. Remember, I gave you a drawing of the workshop layout. We number it from number 1 to number 16, and I need you to do it in the same format for me, so that we can make sure we all understand it and that we are all on the same level. We all know where the entrance of the workshop is, where the toilets are, the washing bin, the storerooms, the office, the welding area, the working area, the theoretical table area, our fire extinguishers, the tool boards. Guys, and at this workshop at the back, we also need to know where the angle grinder, the bench grinder, the stand drills, the cut-off machine, and all the fix machines are. Please go through it properly and make sure you understand it. If not, you can come and ask me again. Then remember the test date. The test dates will be on 13 March 2026. And guys, I just want to say to you guys, good luck with it, and I hope you do well. Thank you. I appreciate it.